The views expressed on this video are that of Gunnar Esiason and guests, and not necessarily those of the Gunnar Esiason Foundation. Nothing in this video should be considered medical advice.
Hey, it's Gunnar Esiason here for another cystic fibrosis step-by-step video. As a person with cystic fibrosis, I'm entitled to certain protections as a person with a disability. They come in the manner of the workplace, they come in school, college, different areas, and it's important to really talk to the clinic social worker so that you can understand your protections as a person with cystic fibrosis or for your kids with cystic fibrosis. Generally speaking, people with cystic fibrosis when they're in school require different accommodations than the general population, for extended absences, for dealing with illness, for having snack and water available, for getting their medications. It's important to understand what the school or what your child's school is going to offer and how best to navigate that with the clinical social worker. And then as the child gets older in life, how to navigate standardized testing for college. I sought disabilities protection to have appropriate housing so that I could have a bathroom, so that I had a way to sterilize my nebs. I was able to secure priority class selection, handicap parking, things of that nature that basically just put me on the same level as the rest of my peers in college. As a person with cystic fibrosis gets older and graduates college, there are also workplace protections that people with CF can seek. Now, all these disability protections may seem like little things, but together they all go a long way in promoting health and care within cystic fibrosis. If you have some bigger picture questions like insurance battles, or if you're not getting some information that you want from your social worker, you can always contact Cystic Fibrosis Compass through the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation.
The views expressed on the Cystic Fibrosis Step-by-Step with Gunnar Esiason videos are that of Gunnar Esiason and guests, and not necessarily those of the Gunnar Esiason Foundation. Nothing in the Cystic Fibrosis Step-by-Step with Gunnar Esiason videos should be considered medical advice. Such advice can only be given by a physician who is experienced with cystic fibrosis. The Gunnar Esiason Foundation, Gunnar Esiason and guests cannot be held responsible for any damage which may result from using the information on this video without the permission of your medical doctor. Thank you for watching Cystic Fibrosis Step-by-Step with Gunnar Esiason, presented by the Gunnar Esiason Foundation and GunnarEsiason.com.